You know what time it is. We're cooking up deer burger. Got the, all this. Got the ingredients. Listen, we have olive oil right here, but we're not going to use that. But if you want to, you can. I just brought it out for you guys to see. However, we're gonna stick some. We're gonna make some Russian sauce real quick. My generic Russian sauce. Sriracha sauce. These are the peppers. We're gonna fry them up first, but first of all, we're gonna mix this. Where's that salt? And then boom. And then it turns a different color. That's just in case you want some of that for your deer burger. Well, like I said, you can use the olive oil, but we're not going to use that today. But you can if you want to. Oh, shit. You may think that's a lot, but I'm cooking up 3 burgers, so take some butter. So, turn the stove and not the oven. From the first episode. Yeah, let's turn the oven on. No, how about let's turn the stove on? That's the deer meat right there, man. Seasoned and everything. That's some good shit right there. And then these are the bell peppers, the green, yellow, orange, and green, yellow, orange, and red peppers. We'll just stick these in there too. Stick like, this is just for flavoring. A cup of yellow. We need red. We got orange, yellow, green, red. Okay, we good. These are Hawaiian buns. Add some more butter. What do I do with that garlic? You can already smell it. So I got a lot of sauces. I got more sauces than anybody. Yo, check this out. Like, these are my hot sauces. But we're not gonna do that because that'll ruin everything, the whole taste and everything. Damn, just oh shit, it's just hot. That's how it goes. Hey, have you tried this? Try this real quick. Just dip it and lick it.
Hey, not bad.
Yeah, I know, right? That's
Still
crazy.
playing good.
Yeah, that's some good shit. All right. Gotta get that seasoning up in it. You said you wanted a little bit of this. Also added some peppers on his burger. You can, when he takes a bite, you can see one of the red ones about to pop out the side. Ouch, 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 ouch. These are Vlasic Frank's Red Hot Sauce Kosher Dill Pickles. Delicious. I just spilled that shit all over myself. That's alright. Fuck it. That's gonna be some good shit. That is some crazy ass shit. Right. And then bada bing, bada boom.
This is what's up.
That's a Hawaiian bun too.
It's a burger.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude.
Mm. Yeah.
Yeah. Still rolling?
Mhm.
Alright. Where's my damn buns? Fuck it. I'm gonna eat it anyway. That's one good thing about being a clean motherfucker. Yeah, I'm gonna stick this on there too. Hmm. Orange, red, green, yellow. They got seasoning on them too. Normally, I have tomatoes and lettuce and onions. I forgot to buy that, but when you're working with deer meat and stuff, you don't want a bunch of things to overpower the flavoring of the deer meat. So that's kind of why I didn't do that. Oh, my shit's falling the fuck off. Good God. That's some good shit. Damn good shit. Ooh, look at that pickle sticking out there like, yo, bite me. Man, I swear I should be a chef. As long as people can kill me some deer, I could be a chef. I feel like I'm forgetting to say something, but I always forget to say something. So, anyways, Panda Power. And stay tuned for the next episode with Cooking with FREeZ. I'll cook up 3 different ways to cook scrambled eggs and 3 different ways to cook a grilled cheese. And then spaghetti and everything. We on it. God damn it. I mean, I rap. I'm a rapper, but hey, I'm single, so I have to cook. You know, what am I gonna live off this fucking microwave? No, you don't do that. So, anyways, peace, love, and hot sauce, and don't let your meat low. Like I said before, this is not meatloaf, but all right. So, how was it?
Excellent.
Yeah. All right. So, if you guys want a burger, it's only $69.99. No, I'm just kidding. But any hot, cute females, cook for me. Okay, I will. But anyways, fuck that bullshit. Listen, if you guys stay tuned, I'll teach you how to make some scrambled eggs with cheese or cheese and meat or one or the other, mixed with milk, mixed with creme fraiche, sour cream. Doesn't matter. I can make it anyway. So, anyways, it's been real. Keep it funky like the fiends in the crack house. Peace, love, and hot sauce. Boom.